Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we dive deep into the products that promise to keep your beauty routine in top shape. Today, we're talking about a product that's designed for your oral health, but with a little twist. It's as much about convenience and performance as it is about cleanliness. Meet the Waterpik Cordless Pearl Rechargeable Portable Water Flosser. This sleek, travel-friendly device is aimed at helping you maintain healthier gums and cleaner teeth, whether you're at home or on the go. The Waterpik Cordless Pearl comes with 4 specialized tips, making it suitable for a variety of dental needs. Whether you're dealing with braces or just need a quick, effective floss after a meal, this little gadget promises to deliver. It's also ADA accepted, which means it's earned the stamp of approval from dental professionals for its safety and effectiveness. Let's talk about how it performs. From the moment I picked it up, I noticed how easy it was to hold, thanks to the ergonomic narrow hand grip. It's designed to be comfortable in your hand, even if you're working on those tricky back teeth. Plus, the 360-degree tip rotation makes it easier to target those hard-to-reach spots, which we all know can be a challenge with traditional flossing. One of the standout features of this Waterpik is its quiet water flossing technology. When I first used it, I was pleasantly surprised by how low the noise was. Definitely a big win if you're someone who's sensitive to sound while flossing. I didn't have to worry about disturbing anyone in the morning or late at night. Now, let's get into the specifics. It comes with a 7/0 removable reservoir that gives you up to 45 seconds of flossing time. That's enough to get the job done without constantly refilling. And the best part? The reservoir is dishwasher safe, making cleanup easy and hassle-free. The rechargeable battery is NIMH, so it's environmentally friendly, though it's important to note that the wall adapter is not included, so you'll need to use your own USB charger. In terms of performance, the Precision Pulse technology is a game changer. It combines water pressure and pulsations, removing up to 99.9% of plaque bacteria in treated areas, which means you can kiss bad breath, cavities, and gingivitis goodbye. It's honestly like having a mini dental hygienist in your pocket. But let's balance things out. What are the cons? Well, it's not for use in the shower, which is a bit of a downside if you're someone who likes to multitask. Also, while the charging is convenient with the USB feature, you'll need to keep in mind that the lack of a wall adapter might be a minor inconvenience for some. So does it live up to its price tag? Given its performance, portability, and the fact that it's ADA accepted, I think it's worth the investment, especially for anyone who travels often or needs a more efficient alternative to traditional flossing. If you're looking for a water flosser that delivers consistent results and is easy to use, this is a solid pick. Before we wrap up, if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us continue making honest reviews just like this one. Thank you so much for watching today's review. If you've used the Waterpik Cordless Pearl, drop a comment below and let us know how it worked for you. And of course, if you're ready to make a purchase, the link will be down in the description box. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.